unlocking the meaning of in the home stretch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in sports commentary, in the home stretch. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this fascinating phrase together. In the home stretch refers to being in the final stage or phase of an activity, project, or event. It's that part of your journey where the end is in sight, and you're close to completing your task. This phrase is often filled with a sense of anticipation and excitement, as it implies that the hard work is mostly behind, and completion is near. The term originates from horse racing. The home stretch is the last straight portion of the racetrack before the finish line. Horses and their jockeys gather their remaining energy to push towards victory. Over time, this term transcended the world of horse racing and became a metaphor used in various contexts to describe the last part of any effort or journey. Let's put in the home stretch into action with some examples. We're in the home stretch of the project now. Just a few more days of work and we'll be done. After years of research and writing, she's in the home stretch of completing her PhD. Only a few miles left in the marathon. We're in the home stretch. These sentences show how versatile the phrase is, fitting seamlessly into professional, academic, and personal scenarios. When using in the home stretch, remember it conveys a positive outlook towards finishing something. It's a great phrase to express perseverance, progress, and the joy of nearing a goal. Try incorporating it into conversations about long-term projects, studies, or even personal goals to sound more fluent and expressive in English. And there you have it, the meaning and use of in the home stretch. We hope this video helps you understand this phrase better and encourages you to use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and guess what? You're in the home stretch of mastering this phrase. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent before you know it.